I have zoysia grass, and it was taken over by weeds. Is it okay to use Bonide herbicide now and in a week or so plant some more zoysia plugs? And this is Hope from Queens, New York. How about that?
Whoa, man.
Queens, New York.
All right then.
All right, so let's go back. So zoysia grass, but she wants to use Bonide herbicide.
Yeah.
We don't know what kind of herbicide that is. Right? She just said Bonide herbicide, right? Yeah. Then she wants to plant her zoysia plug. So what do you think about that?
Well, depending, like you said, depending on what kind of herbicide you have in there. Okay. Just read the label on there, and a lot of times they'll tell you how long you need to wait before you can plant something back in that area. But since you're just doing plug, it should be okay. Just spray it in there. As long as you put no seeds or nothing down in there, it should be okay in there. But just read the label on there. Seems like a pre-emerged herbicide, and see what kind of weed you control. Did she say what kind of weed?
She's just taken over by weeds.
Oh, she didn't say what kind of weed. So yeah, you need to identify what you're trying to kill.
Right, yeah.
You can't just
That's first and foremost.
Yeah, identify. You can't just start spraying stuff. No spraying it first. So try to identify the weed that you're spraying on there.
That's a good point.
And what herbicide do in there, but seems like they're like a pre-emerged herbicide.
Right. Yeah, I'm with you on that. Yeah. We don't know what kind of weed, nor do we know what kind of herbicide you're going to use to control said weeds.
It's a weed. That's a weed, yeah. In there. So yeah.
Okay. So as long as she doesn't use the seeds, she's using zoysia plugs.
Yeah, so they should be okay. Yeah, should be okay. Yeah.
Okay. All right, Hope. So there you have it. Make sure you identify that weed first, so you have the right herbicide to control those weeds, and then make sure you read and follow the label. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.